Governor Nasiru Idris Kauran Gwandu of Kebbi State assured his government commitment to judicial reforms and digital justice in strengthening the judiciary in Kebbi State. Governor Nasiru Idris also informed the judicial officers of his government unwavering assistance in embracing technological innovation in order to support justice delivery in Kebbi State. The governor, who made the statement on Monday, the 8th of June 2026 at the banquet hall of the Presidential Lodge in Birnin Kebbi, while declaring open the 2026 Law Week organized by the Nigerian Bar Association Equity Bar Kebbi State Chapter, with this year's theme as Justice Beyond Algorithm, Navigating Law and Artificial Intelligence in Nigerians' Involvement Justice System. Governor Idris described the event as:
Today's event is significant as it marks the beginning of the 2026 Law Week with the theme Justice Beyond Algorithmism, Navigating Law and Artificial Intelligence in Nigeria's Involving Justice System. The theme reflects the significance of artificial intelligence in the novel profession. I'm indeed elated to be here as special guest of honor for the year 2026 Law Week. There have been a long-standing recognition of Kebbi State in the legal profession, wherein many indigenes of the state distinguish themselves in the profession. The presence of distinguished jurists and the legal luminaries of Kebbi State origin here today is a testament that our people indeed excel in this profession. This administration is proud to be associated with the Nigerian Bar Association and other progressive organizations with a view of improving the lives of our citizens. I have no doubt that my administration will continue to be a partner in progress, and I will always be open for robust discussion with the members of the legal profession. Ladies and gentlemen, in view of the strategic importance of judiciary and the legal profession at large, to my administration, I have carefully addressed many challenges facing the administration of justice in Kebbi State since the inception of this administration in 2023. I lifted the embargo placed on the recruitment of lawyers in the civil service. The state, by recruiting more lawyers for the Ministry of Justice in 2023 and 2025, respectively. The 2023 recruitment was the first of its kind since 1995. I increased the cash allocation of the Ministry of Justice from 1.4 million naira to 10 million naira. We equally increased the lawyers' rob allowance at the Ministry of Justice from 13.9 million in 2023 to 79 million naira in 2026. This increase also reflects the rob allowances and the cash allocation of the Ministry of the Judiciary in the state. Between 2023 and 2024, we have sponsored 25 lawyers who masters in law enforcement and the criminal justice from Ahmadu Bello University in Zaria, with a view to building the capacity of law officers in the state. The state government also provides 14 operational vehicles for the Ministry of Justice and sponsored all the state council for training in 2024 and 2025. We further provide operational vehicles for 8 courts, JSC and Sharia Court of Appeal.
During the event, top judicial officers, both serving and retired, delivered a keynote address, among whom is the Justice Amina Adamu Augi, CFR, a retired justice of the Supreme Court of Nigeria, who described the Law Week as
justice beyond navigating law and artificial intelligence in Nigeria's evolving justice system. Now, justice, on the other hand, we're talking about fairness, we're talking about equality, we're talking about impartiality. And the question he put is justice beyond. And like I said here, the word that catches my eye is beyond. Because he's not saying justice by algorithms or through algorithm, it's justice beyond them. And like I said, whoever said this now, obviously is trying to tell us something. Because an algorithm, no matter how sophisticated it is just a servant. It's not a master. It has a place, and the place has a boundary. The work that lies before this profession is just to learn exactly where that boundary lies and then to defend it. Fortunately, my paper is out there, so we don't have much time. So later you'll be able to look at it. I have set out the nexus between the artificial intelligence and the administration of justice. I have referred to section 36 of the 1999 Constitution. It guarantees to every Nigerian a fair hearing within a reasonable time by a court or other tribunal established by law and constituted in such manner as to secure its independence and impartiality. Now, artificial intelligence enters what I put there into that architecture in an oblique manner. It is not strictly to the participants in the trial. It's a tool unlike any other the legal profession has ever seen before or possessed. It drafts, it summarizes, it conducts research, it predicts, and it performs each of those tasks with a speed that you cannot even imagine. It's just astonishing. And it does that right here. But the danger is, with that speed and that power, it also has capacity to fabricate.
Another keynote address was delivered by the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Federal Republic of Nigeria, Prince Lateef Fagbemi SAN, who expressed his happiness over the unwavering support to Kebbi State Judiciary by Governor Nasir Idris Kauran Gwandu and said,
"Let me begin by warmly appreciating Your Excellency, Dr. Comrade Nasir Idris, the Executive Governor of Kebbi State, whom we fondly and respectfully refer to as Amiibo Kauran Gwandu. His presence at this event today, and with what has been said by various speakers, particularly the former President of Nigerian Bar Association and our Attorney General of this state, is a testament to his unwavering commitment to the advancement of justice, good governance, and the development of the legal profession in Kebbi. Your Excellency, what I said yesterday about something does not apply to you. You are an exception. You have been performing. I am particularly delighted to be back to Kebbi State for the second time in my capacity as the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice within a relatively short period. I recall that my previous visit was in February 2025 when I had the privilege of commissioning the Kebbi State Office of the National Human Rights Commission. Returning so soon is, in many respects, a reflection of the vibrancy and dynamism of this great state. It also speaks to the warmth, generosity, and the exceptional hospitality that I experienced during my earlier visit, qualities for which the people of Kebbi are widely renowned.
Others, in their separate remarks, include Kebbi State Commissioner for Justice, Professor Junaidu Marshall, Chief Justice of Kebbi State, Justice Umar Abubakar, Mr. YC Mekyo SAN, the immediate first president of the Nigerian Bar Association, and the Nigerian Bar Association Equity Bar, Birnin Kebbi Branch Chairman Aminu Hassan, among others. From Presidential Banquet Hall in Birnin Kebbi, Shatima Aliyu Haliru, reporting for Kauran Gwandu Television.